this month of August, we are training about 140 rangers and officers from Nyika and Vwaza on human rights, standard operating procedures, and code of conduct. This is basically, as I said, to make sure that our rangers execute their duties with professionalism, with respect to human rights, as well as safeguarding community aspirations when it comes to social safeguards.
The right to freedom of opinion and expression. All right. I can say, I think the green chair is much nicer than the blue chair. That's my opinion. Okay? I like this one. You cannot tell me I'm wrong. Because my opinion is my opinion. If I think this is nice, it's a much better color than the blue chair, nobody can tell me I'm wrong. Okay? You have got to respect other people's opinions. It may be different to yours. Okay. Some people will say, I'm a Roman Catholic. I believe in the Roman Catholic Church. You are from the Lutheran Church. That's wrong. My church is the better church. You can't say that. If he believes in one religion and I believe in another one, it's our right. We have a right to believe in the religion we want to believe in. Okay.
Sessions such as these helps to equip rangers with valuable skills beyond that of their regular training. The knowledge learned here will help to guide them in their work and ensure that they carry out their duties without infringing on the rights of the communities surrounding these protected areas.